Dylan, why aren't you gonna do it?
Go. Go.
You don't want to waste his ammo. Oh. Dude, we're like broke. Dude, look at
You don't shoot at the camera, retard.
Dude, no, but I'm still shooting.
Can you reload?
Yeah. I wasted. You need a shotgun.
These are all like all different colors that I try to find.
Ah! That hurt!
What'd you do?